What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking out the Maserati to show you what it sounds like with the Resonator delete. But before we take it out for a ride, I just want to give everyone an update of what's happening right now. So I haven't been able to post as much as I wanted to. I try to post twice a week, but lately it's only been once, but I never skip a Sunday. That day is definitely going to be a day where a Snowcat vlog is coming out. I'm trying to find some time to put in a video to take the Ram off-road, and that is definitely coming. I just want to make it a little bit more cinematic than my normal videos. Try to put in that daily drives flair that we did. Speaking about daily drives, this week we're coming out with the Megane GT. Something different than we've been doing lately. It's not a supercar, it's not a sports car, it's a hatchback, but it's a pretty interesting one. So you can literally go and check it out on daily drives. Right now, link is below in the description. Speaking of the Ram, I'm planning to do more mods for it. I think the next one is gonna be something along the lines of either the side steps or an intake. I am thinking about pushing some more power with this truck. I just need to make sure that all the funds are in the right places. We've had a lot of expenditures when it comes to this place. We're finally gonna get air conditioning, so it is not that hot in here, thank God, because we have offices on top of us, so it's not like the heat is directly hitting us on the roof. But still, it does get quite hot when we're recording, so that's definitely needed. So Snowcat, so I do really want to continue on the build. You know, you never really finish a build, and if you have, congratulations. Still needs a little bit more of updates. I'm not happy with the stance, I've mentioned that before. So we're gonna be cutting up the fenders probably soon a little bit more to space out the wheels by either getting spacers or changing the barrels. I need to see financially if that's viable or not, and I also need to find out if that will fit, if it will ride well, and you know, just do a lot of tests with it and try and, you know, ask this guy to help me out as well.
I always get involved in these little projects, but I do that with the love of my heart.
Yes, because you enjoy doing it. Yeah? Yeah, see that smug face. Intake,
Okay.
I want to do side steps,
Okay.
I want to do ECU unlock, and then I want to make more power, baby. 37s, yeah, but that's when the basically everything opens up, because probably can't get them over here. I'm pretty sure that we can't get them over here because 35s is a challenge on its own, as you guys know. And alignment, wheel weights, all of that stuff. I hear all of you, I understand, but that's the unfortunate circumstance of living in a really tiny country where something like this doesn't ever happen. All right, so the Maserati. I'm actually starting really to like this car. It has its own kind of like Italian character and flair, and it's not as unreliable as I thought. Considering that I've only driven 2,000 kilometers with it, I understand that maybe there's still some time for it to, you know, show me its true face. But so far, it's been absolutely epic. It's a great car to have as daily, especially when you consider the fact that they're like dropping in value like crazy. If you find like a 5 or 4 year old one, this one's actually 6 years old because it's a 2014, but honestly, it looks just like the newer ones. The only difference is that these ones still have these ugly side markers that I might get rid of, but I need to kind of test the waters with this car and see if it's something that people want to see. And you know, if I should waste my time on it, you know, because I don't like really wasting your time or my time doing these vlogs. You know, that means a lot to me. Yeah, I've been really enjoying this car. I removed the resonators. It was a really easy job. Did a SMS, they did a fantastic job. I think it just took them like under 2 hours or something. So now it's a bit louder. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remote start this thing, because it does have remote start. I'm not sure if in Europe it does, but here it does, and let's go. So already it does sound a bit louder. But this is what it sounds with the valves closed, and I kind of really like that it's still very toned down, even though that, you know, it's a quite interesting V8 under the hood, very similar to the Ferrari 488 V8. So I'm just gonna try and figure out, because I parked so close to Snowcat, I'm just gonna go over this side and turn on sport mode. Ah, yes, and one thing that I really cannot get used to is the fact that the start-stop button is on the other side of the steering wheel. There we go. Let's hit sport and let's hear what it sounds like. Now obviously, because we're in an enclosed space, it's going to amplify the sound. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to strap a GoPro to the back of the car and go for a little drive so you guys can just listen to the pure sound of the Maserati Quattroporte GTS with a Resonator delete. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. I think it sounds a little bit better. It's not too crazy, but this is a very understated car, so I don't think a crazy exhaust would sound great with it. I think if I want to get a loud exhaust, I need to change up the color. As I mentioned earlier with the lights, get rid of the side markers. Just make it a little bit more cleaner and go for a more menacing look, so a murdered out look or something like that. But as I said, I don't know if it's worth it, to be honest, right now. This car is a trade-in car, so I'm looking to trade it, see if I can get something else with it, something cooler that, you know, people might like on the channel, as well as, you know, I want to try a lot of different types of brands just to become a better car reviewer, as well as own them, just to see what they're like and have my opinion on them and say, you know what, once in my life I owned a Maserati and this is it. Let me know down in the comment sections what you think, how this exhaust sounds like. Is it good? Is it bad? Should it be louder? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like, it really helps out the channel and this video if I should do more Maserati videos, as well as don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button for more. Take care, bye bye, and have a great day.